Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best PS5 Power Cord is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for any PlayStation 5 owner, ensuring your console receives a stable and reliable flow of electricity to power your gaming adventures. Without a high-quality power cord, you risk not only interrupting your gameplay but also potentially damaging your valuable console, making the choice of this seemingly simple accessory a critical decision for maintaining peak performance and longevity. Number 5. WOLFBOX MegaFlow 50 Air Duster. Experience the incredible power of our electric air duster. With speeds up to 110,000 revolutions per minute and 3 adjustable gears, it effortlessly blasts away dust and debris from any surface. Say goodbye to disposable cans. This device is built to last with durable materials and a long-lasting battery, offering an eco-friendly and cost-effective cleaning solution. Weighing just 0.45 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to take anywhere. The included lanyard makes it convenient for cleaning both at home and on the go. Equipped with 4 specialized nozzles, it's perfect for cleaning electronics like computers and keyboards. It's also great for tidying up your home and car. Get back to cleaning in no time with 3.5-hour fast charging via Type-C. Enjoy up to 240 minutes of continuous use on a single charge, ensuring your tasks are always completed. For the best experience, ensure it's fully charged before its first use. This guarantees optimal power and efficiency from the start. What we like. If you're tired of dust bunnies and debris accumulating on your electronics or in your car, this is the solution. Its powerful 110,000 revolutions per minute motor and adjustable speeds make quick work of any mess. If you need a portable and reusable way to keep things clean, this is the one for you. What people say. This is a great replacement cord for my PS5. It works perfectly and is exactly what I needed. The cord is long enough to reach from my outlet to my console without any issues. Number 4. PWR AC Cable Replacement Power Cord. Ensure your devices receive stable power with this high-quality AC power cord. It's designed for a secure and dependable connection. With an extra-long 6-foot length, this cord provides greater flexibility in placing your electronics. No more struggling with short cables. This versatile cord is compatible with a wide range of devices, including TVs, monitors, printers, game consoles, and laptops. It's perfect for many of your electronic needs. Rest assured knowing this power cord is UL listed and certified, meeting strict safety standards. It's built with quality and your safety in mind. Backed by a US-based company, you can rely on excellent customer support. Enjoy peace of mind with a 30-day refund and a 24-month exchange warranty. What we like. If you need a bit more reach for your power outlet, this 6-foot cord is a great option. It's UL certified for safety and compatible with a wide range of devices, including TVs, printers, and game consoles. If you're looking for a reliable and safe replacement cord with extra length, this is a solid choice. What people say. This is a great replacement power cord for my PS5. It works perfectly and is exactly what I needed. The cord is long enough to reach from my outlet to my console without any issues. Number 3. UL listed 10 feet 2 Prong TV Power Cord. This 10-foot power cord is UL listed, ensuring it meets the highest safety standards. You can trust it has been rigorously tested for quality, giving you peace of mind when powering your electronics. It's designed to work with a wide range of devices. This includes many Samsung, LG, and TCL TVs, as well as game consoles like PlayStation and Xbox. This versatile cord also powers various printers from brands like Epson, Canon, and Brother. It's also suitable for monitors, soundbars, and other electronics needing a 2-prong connection. Looking for a replacement for your lost or damaged cord? This 10-foot, 7-amp cord is a dependable choice for many of your home electronics. Constructed with pure copper wire, it provides a stable current. The double-pronged plug ensures a secure connection for your devices. Ensure the safety of your entire family with this dependable power source. Its robust design and safety certifications offer reliable performance. What we like. If you need maximum flexibility and reach, this 10-foot power cord is your best bet. It's UL listed for safety and compatible with a vast array of electronics, from TVs and game consoles to printers and soundbars. If you value safety and require a long cord for hard-to-reach outlets, this is the one to consider. What people say. The power cord is a perfect fit for the PS5 console, ensuring a secure connection. It provides ample length, allowing for flexible placement of the console without being too close to the outlet. The build quality feels robust and durable, suggesting it will last a long time. Number 2. Chanzon 6-foot Universal Power Cord. Ensure your gaming consoles, printers, and TVs stay powered with this 6-foot Universal Power Cord. It's designed for a stable connection and long-lasting performance. This cord is fully certified by UL, meeting the highest safety standards in the USA. You can trust it to provide safe and consistent power to your electronics. Featuring pure copper wire, it delivers a stable 7 amp current. This means your devices receive constant power, contributing to their longevity. With a double prong design and a PVC jacket, this power jack extender eliminates the risk of electric shock or fire. It's built for durability and safety. This versatile cable is compatible with a vast range of devices, including PlayStation, Xbox, various printer series, TVs, monitors, and audio systems. Ideal as a replacement for your lost or damaged power cords. It fits devices requiring a 2-prong, 6-foot AC cord, offering a seamless fit. What we like. If you're looking for a safe and reliable power cord for your gaming consoles or other electronics, this 6-foot option is excellent. It's UL listed and designed to fit a wide variety of devices, ensuring a stable power connection. If you need a universal replacement cord that prioritizes safety and a standard length, this is a great pick. What people say. The power cord is a perfect fit for the PS5 console, ensuring a secure connection. It's a standard 2-prong power cord, compatible with most wall outlets. The cord is long enough to provide flexibility in console placement. Number 1. 2-prong AC power cord for PS5, PS4, Xbox. Looking for a reliable replacement power cord? This 6-foot cable is designed to power your gaming consoles and other devices. It's perfect for PlayStation 5, 4, 3, and Xbox One, Series SX consoles. It also works with many TVs, monitors, printers, and more. Built with high-quality copper wire and a durable PVC jacket, it's UL certified for safe and reliable performance. This cable is built to last, withstanding extreme bending, numerous connections, and heavy weight without fraying or tangling. Replacing your old or lost power cable is easy. Just plug it in and your device will be ready to go in no time. What we like. If you need a power cord that can withstand daily use and last for years, this is the one. It's built with a high-quality copper wire and a robust PVC jacket, and it's UL certified for safety. If you're looking for a dependable, long-lasting replacement cord that can handle frequent connections and flexes, this is a smart investment. What people say. This is a great replacement power cord for my PS5 console. It fits perfectly and provides stable power to the console. The cord is long enough to reach my outlet without any issues. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.